everybody, coming to you at the end of March to share with you my March thrift store finds. I did things a little different this month. I really didn't go into the regular Goodwill store but once this month, and I'm going to show you real quick what I found. Was this University of Tennessee brand new in the package stadium puzzle for $3.99. I kind of splurged on this because I know it's normally like $20. There's the price tag. We're big Tennessee fans, even though they're not the greatest team in the last 20 years, but we try to stay loyal fans and we'll enjoy that this fall. Now, there's a couple other things I picked up in some other places. This was at a church rummage sale. Super cute little ceramic church for $1. These little frogs to go in the flower bed. I may have paid $1 for that. And the other two things I had picked up for my Goodwill challenge but decided not to use them was these really pretty little mint green candle holders. They were 45 cents each, and I was going to maybe put like a globe or something on them like that, but changed my mind. And then this springy summer table runner that looks like it's been handmade, so it's one of a kind, and I paid $1.98 for that. But the rest of the stuff I want to share with you is going to be from the bargain center. What the bargain center used to be was the store leftovers. They would mark it half price or whatever the case may be. The clothes were sold by the pound, but evidently my store has changed up some because most of the stuff in my store does not even have a price on it. And it doesn't even look like it's ever been in the regular store. So I just could not believe some of the great things I found this month. I still haven't figured out what goes to the regular store and what goes to the bargain center. But you know, it's my benefit, so I'm going to keep enjoying it. But the first thing I want to share with you was, it was like new Pyrex Casserole Carrier. I took it home, sprayed Lysol, washed it, and I tell you, these are very nice and expensive. These are so nice when you are going somewhere. So I'm going to really look forward to having that for years to come. I had a round one and now I have a rectangle one. I actually picked this up with my daughter in mind. I've got way more Easter decorations than someone should have, and I'm going to give this to her. I thought this was so cute. Now, keep in mind that everything I show you from here on out, I didn't pay over $1 for anything. This could have possibly been 50 cents. Now this right here was something that was wrapped in a mound of bubble wrap, and when I got home I knew what it was in the bubble wrap, and I was hoping it wasn't damaged and I could hear the liquid in it. But when I got home it was in perfect condition, and it's one of those weather things, there's a word for it, and it's so neat to put on a bookshelf or something somewhere. These things are normally like $20, and I maybe have paid up to $1 for it. I got a little sprig of lavender, brand new, with a $1.99 price tag, a couple little wood slices. You know, anytime you put a little knickknack on a wood slice, it almost instantly makes it farmhouse or rustic decor. I have a friend that has a grandchild away from here, and I just thought this would be so cute to give to her. I'm going to press it. It says it's really not that far. It's embroidered. It's made by Mud Pie, and it's got two little heart pins where you can pin it in the two different places. I thought that was so cute. I found one almost identical to it with Tennessee on it that said home is where the heart is, and I put the heart pin on there. I thought that was unusual that I found almost the same one a year apart. This right here is a really neat thing. This is a little terracotta disc. In the bargain center, when I do see things with prices, I know that it did come from the store and evidently it didn't sell or whatever. But most of the stuff doesn't have a price. But this is called a basket warmer, and you put it in the oven and heat it to 350, and then you put it in your bread basket and it keeps your bread warm. I've been wanting one of these for the longest time and just came across it and had to have it. I thought this was so pretty. This is a grapevine, if I can hold it, my arm's not long enough. It is a grapevine bow with the tails and all this fall embellishment on it. I thought it was so pretty and timeless, and got it at the bargain center, maybe paid $1 for it. Can't wait to put that on my front door this fall. I haven't bought any fall leaf garland in a long time, but you could tell this one's never been used. It's still wrapped up. This is not Dollar Tree leaves. I love the look of those. They look really expensive because they're kind of got a matte look to them. They look so realistic. I love it and can't wait to use those this fall. And this little cutie thing, it's got a little bell on it, and you just hang it on the doorknob. Like before, I maybe paid $1 for it or less. Thought he was so cute, little scarecrow. Now the rest of the stuff's kind of Christmas. This right here was just a bag of ribbon. Just that tulle alone would have been $3 or $4, and that wrapping ribbon right there is $2 or $3 at Walmart. So that right there is $7 or $8 in this bag that I got for 50 cents maybe. I saw this wrought iron little snowflake. I love the rusty chippiness of it, and it'd be something perfect to put in tiered trays or just lean on a shelf somewhere during the winter time. I just thought that was so pretty. I went ahead and just stuck everything on this little turnabout thing. I got the turnabout at the bargain center. Like I said, I watched the cash register, and it was always a quarter and 50 cents, just depending on what they picked up. I picked up 2 of these and already gave one to my daughter in the package. Ho, 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 y'all. Adorable napkins. Thanksgiving ones, turkey and a couple leaf in the package. I wouldn't dare buy it not in the package, but you know, they're brand new, never been touched. Got these adorable Christmas napkins. I picked these up just a couple days ago, these little ceramic deer. I'm always looking for little things to go on my tiered trays, seasonal, and those will just be precious. That's an example of what I mean by putting something on a little wood slice, just really makes it look even more farmhouse. I saw this adorable little vintage remake of a cup. It's Threshold brand, so it's a Target. But how cute is this at Christmas time to put just ink pens or candy canes or whatever somewhere around the house. Center, a brand new package of napkins with the little napkin weight and the little tray. I mean, how cute is that? And these little napkins you can put in your bathroom, in your kitchen. There's a couple different places you can use seasonal napkins. And last but not least is this. It was a 2-pack. I already put one in my car. The Yankee cotton linen air fresheners. These are about $4 at my grocery stores, and I maybe paid a quarter for it. So there you go, friends. This is just proof the bargain center is definitely worth the trip if you're willing to go in there and kind of dig through the stuff and wait every 15 minutes till a new batch comes out. It's a different way of shopping. It's a big turn off to a lot of people. But I tell you, if you've got a little time, it's a lot of fun to see what you can find when you go in there with no expectations. So I hope you enjoyed it. I got all this for less than $15, honestly. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.